In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zoom with Acuity scheduling. Whether you're managing client appointments or setting up virtual meetings, integrating these two powerful tools can streamline your workflow and enhance your scheduling efficiency. We'll walk through each step with clarity so you can get everything set up smoothly. First, you'll want to head over to Acuity Scheduling's website. Simply open your preferred web browser and navigate to acuityscheduling.com. Once there, you'll see the login option, usually at the top right corner of the homepage. Go ahead and click on Login to proceed. Now it's time to enter your email address, type it into the prompt and click Next. This will bring you to the password page. If you prefer a quicker login and want to skip the password entry step, you can click on Continue with Google. This option is available if you've linked your Google account to Acuity previously, which might save you some time. Once you've clicked on Continue with Google, you'll see a list of Google accounts. Select the account you use with Acuity. After selecting your account, you'll be directed to your Acuity scheduling dashboard. This is your main hub for managing appointments and settings. Next, what you'll want to do is look for the Integrations section within Acuity. You'll typically find this under your account settings or on the main dashboard menu. Once you click on Integrations, a new page will load. Scroll down until you see the Zoom option. It might take a moment to find as it's among various other service integrations, but don't worry, just keep scrolling. When you find Zoom, you'll see a Setup link next to it. Clicking on Setup will prompt an integration setup process. This is the first step in linking Acuity to your Zoom account. Following this, you'll need to click on Connect to Zoom. This button is usually clearly visible as part of the setup prompt. After clicking, you'll be directed to a Zoom login page. Here, input your Zoom account credentials. This step gives Acuity permission to interact with your Zoom account and schedule meetings directly through it. Once logged in, follow any prompts that Zoom provides to complete the connection process. These prompts usually include requests to authorize access between the two platforms. Finally, after successfully linking your Zoom account, it's time to configure your appointment settings. These settings allow you to customize meeting preferences and automatic Zoom meeting generation for each new client appointment. When you've fine-tuned everything to your liking, make sure to click Save to ensure all settings are firmly secured and the integration is finalized. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've effectively integrated Zoom with Acuity scheduling. From now on, scheduling virtual meetings should be seamless and require minimal effort. I hope this tutorial helps you streamline your scheduling tasks and manage appointments more efficiently. Thank you for watching and have a great day.